Abhilash Baranwal, Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi, ula Pynshai pejba. Halor ka Jingkynnoh ki arngut ki EM ka Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council ki balaong ba ki bor penyat district ka Bhoi kila shule don bor bat klem buram shu ya ka ki HDC bat kata kadai hadin ba ki bor district ka Bhoi kila lej ban khang Khyrdop no ya ki jakalum Khajna ka ki HDC ya ka ba kila penyang harut surok ba NH Henryu bat ka bahap hapok ka shnong dihar Bhoi. Katai ka jing Pynshai UDC Bhoi kaderu shisni hadin baki arngut ki EM ka KHDC ke baken thup yu ba powel soklat EM in chat kalan development and information technology lembat uba Winston Tony Lingdo EM trade enforcement labor clearance certificate revenue collection ki belakeno ba ki bor sensyar district kari Bhoi kim syamla burom ya ka KHDC hakaba kila syupha khang tala ya ka Khyrdop klem ka jing burom ya ka KHDC bat ka balapen kub bor kat kum ka sik schedule Habakran ciklat pathai kubor Abhilash Baranwal uloong ba ka Jingkhang ki bor district ya ketika Khyrdop lum Khajna ka district council ha dihar kamut baki bor district kimsyam la burom ya ka HDC here ki bor sensyar district kila khang ya ketika jakal lum Khajna da ka babut renti kat kum ki kenon an ya ka ba kum ki EM jongka HDC ru ki dei bar snuthu ya kata.
We have highest regards for KHDC. It's a sixth schedule state. So there is nothing like disrespecting KHDC. However, I mean, going by the work order that KHDC has given to that agent itself, you'll see point number 6, it is clearly mentioned that it cannot be set up on the highway. So even in their own work order, it is mentioned that it cannot be on the highway. And it is also an instruction which we have received from government of Meghalaya way back in 2021. Wherein it was decided in consultation and concurrence with KHDC that no such check gate or toll gate can come up on state PWD roads or national highway. So there is a standing instruction from government of Meghalaya. Their own order is also saying that it cannot be set up on the national highway. So that is why this gate was closed down. Otherwise, there is no point of disrespecting KHDC. In fact, over the last 2 months, both KHDC and CM Hima Milliam have set up more than almost 8 to 10 check gates. We have not closed down anything else, but the one that has been set up on national highway, which is against their own work order, that only has been closed down.